cute, chunky and playful pieces are invading our interiors. Why is that? And how is this new trend called? So first of all, this is called Neotenic design. And if you don't like it, you might be a total psychopath. Let me explain why. The term Neotenic means the retention of juvenile characteristics in adulthood. So if you don't like Neotenic design, you basically don't like puppies and cute stuff, which is very concerning. Neotenic was first associated with furniture in, oh my god, my nails are fucked, 2018 at Brooklyn, hello? Exhibition in 2018 by Jumbo in Brooklyn, New York, showing furniture that were soft and cute and had these very playful shapes and colors and philosophy even. But when did all this started? We must definitely mention the Italian radical design movement, which was combining the ethos of pop art with the systems of mass production. Gaetano Pesce, just to name one, has a body of work that includes many Neotenic pieces. His most iconic one, it's probably La Mamma. Fun fact, he had the idea for this chair as he was in the shower pressing a sponge. This was happening in the 70s. And then the Memphis movement, which was happening in the 80s. Ettore Sozzas, its founder, is responsible for this iconic piece that you all seen. Also some very iconic and colorful lamps. Other members of the Memphis had a lot of fun. Peter Shire with this super crazy armchair, or also Michele De Lucchi that made those two stunning pieces. And that's it, let's move on to some more contemporary guys. Vova Naumov, my absolute favorite, I can say. He have some iconic pieces like the Yeti sofa. What else? The naked chair. Oh my days. Surreal stuff. We should absolutely mention this collection by Sancal entitled Link and Loop. I mean, if this is not fun furniture, I don't know what is. Next, I want to talk about Luis Gimeno. As you can see, he has a bunch of designs that could belong into a kid's room. This is the piece that I really love, this collection of lamps. It's so cute. This is another artist that embodies very well the spirit of Neotenic design, I think. Here there is a couple of less colorful but still very playful, still, you know, they're yummy. It's almost like you could chew it. Yum yum. So to conclude, not only Neotenic design is comfortable, but most importantly, comforting. Gaetano Pesce's La Mamma, it's called in this way, La Mamma means the mother, because of its nurturing nature. Boobies! Neotenic design, it's grouping all these pieces that are a reaction to colder and more austerity-driven tendencies. There will be some very playful and very colorful and very baroque thing, and then to reaction to that, because it got really overwhelming, we will start a new tendency that is more calmer and quieter and more humble. You know, this works in art and in design and I think in life. For this historical moment, I think that it's a reaction to all these very bland and dogmatic interiors that lack a bit of childlike freedom. I mean, we have seen gray apartments forever. We've been obsessed with IKEA forever, and now it's time to change. I hope this was an interesting introduction, hopefully not too chaotic. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, and I forgot to say, there is this video I did and it features 3 chairs, and one of them it's absolutely Neotenic. Find out what it's made of. Ciao ciao.